In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix Personal Hotspot not showing on your iPhone. If you can't find or turn on Personal Hotspot, just watch this video until the very end to find out how this really works. On your settings page, just down below mobile data is where Personal Hotspot should be. To set Personal Hotspot option back, simply tap on the mobile data option. On this page, select Mobile Data Network. You will then scroll down into the section of Personal Hotspot. Enter your APN. You can just type in anything as your APN. It can be your name or anything else. Then on the next tab, enter your username and lastly your password. Make sure your password doesn't have any character as your username. Tap on Reset Settings and your Personal Hotspot will get added back to your settings page successfully. If your Personal Hotspot still doesn't show after trying this whole process, make sure to restart your phone, repeat the whole procedure, and it will definitely show. That's how easy it is to set Personal Hotspot on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.